Hey y'all, hey! For my brows today, I'm going to be using Studio Mink's brow pencil in brown.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind?
I like her pencil because it has like a little brush on the end.
What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me?
And then I'm going to use my MAC. This is NC45. And this is just my little everyday makeup routine.
Well, I don't get it. You say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you.
So I'm going to take MAC's Saddle. I don't have a crease, but where my crease would be. And I'm not using any kind of like primer on my eyes or anything like that. And I do wear lash extensions, so I find that this way it's kind of easier.
If you let your gun down, baby, this is what I'll do.
Because I'm definitely going for, you know, a clean look. Nothing too crazy.
This is
what clean girl.
I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind?
And then just a clean little fluffy brush just to blend that out some more, because I don't really want, I want a no eyeshadow look today.
What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why?
So see that? No eyeshadow look, okay? For my face, because I'm done with the eyes besides eyeliner. This is Rihanna's Pro Filter Primer.
Wanna be, I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, get through to you.
And I'm talking about Rihanna, Fenty, same thing, you know. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
This is what I'll do. I'll do.
And I got a facial like a month or so ago, and the products did not agree with my skin. And my skin has been looking real funky. Yeah, but it's all good. I'm gonna go in with my YSL. Now I have DN1 and DN3. In the summertime, my skin is darker than it is in the cooler months, even though it's Florida, but that heat hit different, okay? So I just mix these two together to kind of make what I want. Because sometimes the one is too light and sometimes the 3 is too dark. So I mix those together on my hand.
This is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you,
ready. Just going to have me some lunch, so I ain't trying to look like, you know, I'm going to the club.
I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
For my concealer, I'm gonna do Natasha Denona, and this is in a P6. I ain't got my glasses on. That's all. So then I'm gonna just blend this in, let that dry down a little bit. I'm over 40, so you guys want to make sure that you blend in your concealer up to lift that face. For my all over powder, I'm going to use one size. When I tell y'all I done had this Sonia Kashuk brush, probably when I first started doing makeup in the 2000, hell, I don't even know, a long ass time, okay? This is Fenty Beauty setting powder with Pro Filter translucent powder, loose powder, I don't know. This is in the color Honey. And I'll just take my little powder puff. Let that sit for a few minutes. While that is sitting, then I'll grab my blush. And I'm gonna use this orange color because it is by one size and it's summertime, and why the hell not? Like, again, going up. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend out my setting. And that's it. I'm not doing any contour, anything like that. I am gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on. Setting spray is Maybelline Fix It Lasting. Now I'll put my eyeliner on. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner underneath. And this is by Essence, long lasting, and it is a waterproof 18-hour plus eyeliner. This one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I don't really care for it. I feel like it crumbles and kind of fall down on my face, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna go back over it with Benefit, their Real Magnet mascara. Benefit Cosmetics. Lip is Imperious Cosmetics. I'll just go with Lip It Now Beauty. This is very sheer. My look today.